Chizuk from the Parsha, Erev Shabbos Kodesh, Parshas Mekayet, Shabbos Chanukah, Shabbos Mevorchim. Yosef HaTzadik is coming out from jail. It is being rushed to power to give him answers for his dreams that no one could. And he gives him answer. You know, the 7 big cows shows on 7 good economic years, and the 7 very skinny cows, starved cows, are going to show that it's going to come 7 starving years. And the same thing about the wheat that was growing. And Paro is flabbergasted. What's the big deal? When you see a fat cow, you know this cow has what to eat. No big brain over here. When you see cows you see the bones, you know right away they have no food. What is the big deal over here? And one of the biggest kashas is Yosef HaTzadik is giving an answer to Paro, to his dreams. Then he says to Paro, Va'atu yaire ishrucha. When Paro should appoint somebody who's a smart man, and he should run the country, because if not, disaster is going to happen. You're a slave that just came out from jail. Paro took you out from jail to give him an answer for his dreams. Paro didn't ask you to suddenly be his advisor. What do you give him advice? You finished your dreams, that's it. You finished to give the answers for his dreams, that's it. Why does Yosef go and give to Paro aitzes? He gives him all kind of advice. Who asked you? But the answer is tremendous. Such a profound lesson to our daily lives. What did Paro did not like in the Chartumim from Paro? All the other answers that he got from his advisors, from his Chartumim. Paro had one part that it just didn't make sense to him. Vatamoidnu eitzel aporis, that the 2 cows, the hunger, the fat, and the skinny and the fat ones were standing together next to each other. And they gave him answers: 7 girls you'll give birth, and 7 will die. How does the 2 come together? Here we saw the 2 cows in his dream standing next to each other. So Yosef HaTzadik says to Paro, not because he wants to give him advice. Part of the dream is that they stand together, which means when you have 7 fat years, remember, are you guaranteed? You know, could come 7 hungry years just in a couple of years from now. You see 7 fat, big wheat shibolim, could be it's going to come a hunger in a few years. Look at these 3 things together. This is such a profound lesson in our lives. So many times in our lives we have fat years, goes everything good. We have naches, we have children, and we have money, and suddenly we have money, you're starting to blow it. I'm going to make the most expensive and lavish, whatever, simchas, and I'm going to show everyone, I don't need anyone, become arrogant. Remember, could come hungry years. Yosef HaTzadik is teaching us, when you have good years, fat years, remember, don't get arrogant. Give tzedakah, give chesed, think of others. And when you have sometimes skinny years, don't go into a years. Don't fall into a bad place. Remember, good days are going to come. Don't fall into a bad place. This is what Yosef HaTzadik is teaching you. You should always stand together. Don't become arrogant and don't fall into a years. The chaloimus of Paro and the answer of Yosef is such a strong advice to our daily life. Remember, when you have good years, always think of others and give others, and there we'll be zoiche to have a good Shabbos and a good Chodesh and a freiliche Chanukah.